Look around. Every system we trust is breaking down right now. Democracy? It's supposed to be the ultimate way to give power to the people, right? But how many times has it betrayed us? How many times have we watched loudmouths, career politicians, or well-connected mediocrities seize control while the real talents, the real builders keep getting shoved aside? It's maddening, you feel it. The frustration of seeing power awarded like some game of popularity or outdated tradition, not like a real test of ability or merit. You're not alone in this. The system is stuck, suffocating under its own promises that never materialize. You're watching the world waste potential every day because we reward the wrong things. Now think about what it would mean if meritocracy wasn't just a buzzword or some pie-in-the-sky ideal, but the actual engine of how things run. Imagine a system where the smartest, hardest working, most effective people aren't sidelined by status, heritage, or connections, but placed front and center because that's what the situation demands. Overnight. No slow transition, no endless debate, just a reset where ability means everything and everything else means nothing. This would change everything. Investors would back the founders who actually deliver. Leaders would be chosen because they proved their worth, not because they found the right party or enough votes. Decision-making would be sharper, faster, more in tune with real-world results. But here's the brutal truth. Meritocracy can't just drop in like magic. It demands accountability at a level most organizations, most systems aren't even close to ready for. It means tearing down comfortable illusions and setting fire to lazy traditions. It means letting go of identity politics, legacy perks, and the nonsense that everyone deserves a shot, when, in reality, some shots waste resources and time the world desperately can't afford. That's the tough part, and the part most people run from. So what do? First, you stop waiting for permission or for a system that's broken to fix itself. Get ruthless about where you put your trust, your time, and your energy. Build your own merit-based networks, people who judge by results, not by resumes or appearances. It's about finding those rare connections that amplify your power, not dilute it. Stop tolerating mediocrity around you, demand excellence everywhere you engage yourself. If someone can't prove their value constantly, cut the dead weight. No loyalty to title, only loyalty to output. Next, obsessively track performance, yours and everyone else's. Real meritocracy is a living machine that needs constant refining. You can't just declare someone the best and walk away. You have to test, challenge, and demand more every single day. This is how you stop settling and start pushing true innovation forward. Data over feelings, facts over traditions. You measure, you improve, and you build relentless momentum. And here's what most miss. Meritocracy doesn't kill democracy. It empowers the right kind of democracy, one where capable voices rise organically, not by shouting the loudest or playing the popularity game. Power becomes dynamic. It flows to whoever can carry it responsibly. If someone loses the ability, they lose the role. No excuses. That's how you guarantee constant evolution, in leadership, in ideas, in progress. Lastly, remember that this isn't just about politics. It's business, innovation, society. Building meritocracy is about building a future where potential isn't wasted because of where someone is from, who they know, or how loudly they can shout. It's about stepping up and demanding systems that reflect who actually moves the needle day after day. Forget waiting for the world to catch up. Start acting like meritocracy is not an idea for tomorrow. It's the only way to survive and win right now. Build those networks, demand brutal accountability, promote real talent relentlessly, and watch how fast things begin to shift. Because honestly, if this doesn't happen, you'll be trapped in the same broken cycles, watching incredible opportunities slip through your fingers while the mediocre run the show, and nobody has that kind of time anymore. So act now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.